Hello, it's Tristan Greathouse from I Review Stuff, and welcome to today's tech tip. Today's tech tip will be showing you how to install extra RAM or random access memory into your computer. So here we go. So what you want to do, you want to get your computer, unplug everything, and put it on a flat surface. And next, what you want to do, you want to put it on its side, gently, without breaking it. Okay, you want to unscrew any screws you have on your front panel. And pull it off gently, just in case there is any wires attached to the motherboard fairly tensioned. So once you have that, you want to just put that somewhere safe. Okay, so yeah. Once you get inside your computer, you'll see a motherboard, obviously, some hard drives or one hard drive or whatever your computer has, some big fan on your CPU. Now this big gigantic thing right here, you might not see if you have a retail version of a computer. This is a custom build, so you probably won't see this, and you'll also see a graphics card, but not necessarily like that. So what you're looking for here is two slots, as you can see right here. And right now I have two RAM modules in. So once you have your RAM, you can go to Crucial.com. That's www.crucial.com. See what type of RAM you can have and how much you can have. So these are the RAM modules. So when you get them, it will be like this. You might have 240 pin or 120 pin. It depends on your motherboard. So here you go. And then you will want to find those right there. Take your RAM slot. Make sure the focus. Make sure the cutouts right here match up with the ones on there. So let's zoom in. So you can see the cutoff right here. You want to put one side down and push down the other. Don't be afraid to put some force on this. Now if you're putting a lot of force and you hear cracking, you might not want to push down. But there you go, that's how you install RAM into your computer. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to go to our Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Twitter. And top right hand corner to see our last video. Don't forget to go check that out, and we'll see you later.